Wallpaperland family. Today, we're going to show you how to hang pre-pasted wallpaper. It's a great way to transform any room with minimal hassle. Follow along as we guide you through each step to achieve a professional-looking finish. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare the walls. Prepare the walls. Ensure your walls are clean, smooth, and dry. Remove any old wallpaper and repair any holes or imperfections. Step 2. Measure and cut. Measure and cut. Measure the height of your walls and cut the wallpaper into strips, adding an extra 4 to 6 inches to each strip to allow for trimming. Step 3. Activate the adhesive. Fill a bucket or wallpaper tray with water. Immerse each strip of wallpaper in the water, adhesive side up, for the time specified by the manufacturer, usually around 30 seconds. Step 4. Hang the wallpaper. Hang the wallpaper. Start at the top of the wall, aligning the wallpaper strip with a plumb line or level to ensure it's straight. Smooth the paper onto the wall with a wallpaper smoother, working from the center outward to remove any bubbles. Step 5. Trim the excess. Trim the excess. Use a utility knife to trim any excess wallpaper at the top and bottom. Use a straight edge or wallpaper smoother as a guide to ensure clean cuts. Step 6. Clean up. Clean up. Wipe off any excess adhesive with a damp sponge. Ensure all seams are properly sealed by gently pressing them with a wallpaper smoother. And there you have it, a beautifully wallpapered room with pre-pasted wallpaper. It's an easy and effective way to update your space. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more wallpaper and design tips from Wallpaperland. Until next time, happy decorating.